Yo, what's up everybody? Good evening to you all. I might turn this down just a little bit. There we go. So yeah, we're doing some game development today, everybody. Also, check it out. I figured out the simplest thing. What's the best way to show this? I guess one of these is, oh wait, no, that already had a background. There. I got backgrounds on my text. Actually, the better spot to show that would probably be in the editor. Look, the text is no longer, like, slightly hidden by the backdrop. Yeah, anyway. That's pretty much all I've done off stream. But, yeah. We're here, and we're working on the game. Today I kind of want to work on getting the gameplay kind of at least a little more polished than not at all. So, for example, right now, if I were to go play a match, like, everything's just very default, right? Like, our movements and jumping and bouncing. This isn't quite what I have envisioned for this type of game. And more importantly, like, stuff like bombs, like, I shouldn't be able to push these around. And likewise, they shouldn't push me around, or I shouldn't be able to push other players, but you currently can do all of that, so want to kind of get that squared away and improved upon. And that's up to, like, the bombs bouncing all over the place. Basically, we're going to take out the default Unity collision stuff and kind of write our own, or find some happy in-between point. I don't know, we might use it for some things, and then other things like the player that are more important, make our own thing we roll. But yeah, I didn't really plan out a specific thing to do for all this, so we're gonna wing it and hope things go well. Actually, it's no better example than the sudden death thing that I made. So, like, we got this working last time, but the game has sudden death mode where cannonballs will be shot at you, but then nothing, like, they don't do anything if they hit you, essentially. I don't want to update Visual Studio, thank you. So, yeah. That being said, let's get into it. So, in reality, let's go to our prefabs here. Nope, not prefabs, resources. Let's start with the player, right? So they've got this collider. Actually, it's not so much the collider that's the problem, it's the rigid body. Here we go, yeah. So we're using this to manage gravity as well as just general collision stuff, but I think what we really want to do is maybe not have this at all and instead have, like, our own calculations going on. Excuse me while I think over what to do for all of this. Actually, here's an interesting question, right? So, like, if I freeze the positions of these things, let's see what happens when I do that. Oh, it's still saving my changes. Okay. Yeah, so they're just not obeying gravity at all. Now, I will point out that they do no longer move, so that's helpful, sort of. So maybe just on the X and Z position if we freeze them, that kind of gets what I want. Hey, what's up, Raina? How you doing? Or X and Z. I don't know if I said X and Y. I don't know if I made this right, but this is supposed to be an El Presidente, and it's very good. Never had one of those before. It's incredibly pink for some reason, but I mean, the only thing in here that has any color is the grenadine, so it doesn't really surprise me that it turned pink. Although I did use golden rum and not white rum, so maybe that's why it looks weird. Tasty Dwink, thanks. Or hell yeah, not thanks. Thanks! I made it. I made this. Okay, so that now has that stuff moving back and forth, so that's cool. Yeah, otherwise I'm doing well. That might actually be all I need. So here's the... Actually, messing with the player will probably help us figure this out. I'm sure we can, like, freeze this as a rigid body and still mess with the positioning otherwise, but I'm curious if I do that to the player, if it will, like, break the control scheme. I don't know if that makes any sense. I do love the arrive. Okay, yeah, I can no longer move, like, left or right. But I wonder if there's a way I could make that happen. So if we go to the player controller... So we have this move amount, right? Oh, okay. So instead of rigid body.move position, what if we just moved the object, right? Oh. Wait, so it moves it towards that position. Hmm. Something's weird with this. Oh yeah, I can plus... Oh, I forgot I could do that. Okay, so I can just plus equals this. Okay. Does this work? So instead of moving the rigid body, we're trying to move the object itself now. Don't know if that all gels or not. Yep, that totally works. Now, does it work over network? Does it network? I'll leave now. Thanks for joining my stream. Oh no! That's not aligned. We can fix that. Oh, that's extra weird. It's aligned on the non-build version. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, okay, yeah, that would be a problem. So collisions are... We gotta re-implement collisions, but I think otherwise we should be okay. Okay, so down there... Damn you, auto camera. Alright. There, unfocused. Yep, still tracking my rotation and everything. It's cool. So, Oh, I can't jump either. Oh, wait. Oh, wow. Well, that's a tricky one. Hello, D314. Okay, so we just need to re-implement collision against stuff. That's cool. No problem. This makes a great game already. Oh, because you can, like, stealth into stuff? Hell yeah. Oh, the goon face. Just the goon face. Ooh. So, to handle that... My thoughts are like on collision start and on collision end, we should figure out whatever direction you're hitting and prevent you from going that way. But I don't know if that makes sense. Or like if that works. It's a cool take. Do you like the bricks on the ground? It's a cool take. Why, thanks. And there's power-ups in some of them, so like they're like stacked up, so there's like power-ups inside of one of the ones on top of it, but if you blow up too much downward, you just have a hole. Oh yeah, if you fall, you die. How do I do this? I'm thinking back to like Stray Light code, and that isn't gonna work here, because we basically just stop the player when they hit something that they collide with. Just not quite how it works, or not quite what I need it to do here. Oh yeah, that'd be neat. That's actually a pretty good sudden death suggestion. That's probably one I could implement right now, even. Oh man. Oh yeah, that is kind of like a Fall Guy level, isn't it? Might need to like... Oh yeah, that was that actually is already, it's not implemented, but that's the other sudden death I set up and then didn't finish doing. Like it's gonna have bombs fall. Sorry, I'm getting DMs. Yeah, let me pop open an AI chat. No, open the actual chat, not the frickin' product page. Jesus. In Unity, how can I... How do I write this even? I don't know. How can I lock... Now, have the player, or how can I stop the player from moving in a specific direction on collision? Actually, no, hold on, let's rewrite this prompt. I'm creating a game in Unity by trying to block the players, or trying to write custom collision code using onCollide. How can I stop the player from moving in a specific direction when they collide with something? Hey, you wrote me some code. Nice. But this is still using rigid bodies. But that still might be okay. Oh, okay, so there's a property called relative velocity when you have a collision happen. So that's probably what I'm looking for. Tell me about your rigid body Google cheating. Thinking Goon, best Goon. Yeah, so I guess more so what I need to do, it's weird because this is sort of like an event when you hit something. But it only happens, you only get an onCollide the first time you do it. Okay, but here, let's okay, so I don't actually have an on-collision, that's good. Triggers are something else entirely, so we don't need to worry about those. So hello, Skull Spidey and Epio, how you doing? Or wait, that's not the right... Yeah, enter is the word I'm missing. And then we needed the exit as well. I don't know if that's the proper tag for that or not. Actually, maybe if we're pushing the player out, this might actually work just fine. I'm not sure. This may also cause weirdness with gravity, because we're kind of letting the rigid bodies handle gravity, and this would also apply to that if I'm doing this properly. Whoa. Although if I don't handle the Y direction, then we can just ignore that one, so that might be good. I'm not really sure what this does for me. Well, move amount is a vector 3, right? Okay, yeah. This may also not handle things running into you very well, like other players, for example. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. You know what code would help me here? Do I have this on my hard drive somewhere? Hold on. I gotta dig deep, chat. Not seeing it here. What about on one of my external drives? Do I have it here? Backup code. Oh. Stray light backup. Who cares about that game? Oh, yes! Ah, no. Damn. Other? No. Hey, I have all my contractor code from like 10 million years ago. Holy shit. Anyway. Damn, damn, damn. Yeah, I don't think it's on this computer. I'm sure I have it somewhere, but... Actually, wait, hold on. It's 2023. Probably in the cloud. Bitbucket. Let's go, baby. Get me logged in there. Hopefully this is the right account. More like shit bucket, am I right? This is wrong. Unless I lost, uh-oh. Oh, my workspace. Or maybe all workspaces? All workspaces. Yes, there we go, okay. Repos. There it is, baby! Alright. Clone this bad boy. I don't have my cred set up on my command line Git, so I'm gonna have to use a source tree real quick. Oh no! Hide. Sorry, my full name is in these commit messages. I need to make sure it's on the other window. Alright, we're back. Saved it. How do you clone a repo in this fucking thing? Clone? Oh, it's plus symbol. What do you mean I'm not authenticated? What is this garbage? Alright, hold on, I gotta refresh a token. I'm gonna hide my monitor just in case. You know. Okay, well, it was all in this window anyway, so we were safe, but... I guess I didn't have my auth set up on this app either. I could have just probably done this on the command line. Anyway. Welcome back, everybody. Watch this ends up not helping at all. So anyway, a long time ago... Oh, I'm on the wrong account. What? What do you mean not connect? I just connected! Alright, we're doing this from the command line, fuck this shit. But for similar reasons, I am hiding once again. Git clone. Oop. I already put that part in the thing on my... whatever. Yes, trust the certificate. Access denied. Oh, I know why. It's because I don't have, Pageant running. Pageant is already running. Okay, I lied. I do already have it running. Oh, it probably doesn't have the key in it, though. Aha! Where the hell is my key, though? And do I know the password to it? Hey, it worked. All right, now clone this repo. All right, I think I might be able to do this from. God damn it, guys! What the fuck? Why? Why this no work? What if I just give it the URL? What then? You know, I can just view the code online, I guess. That's an option as well. Oh, oops. Wrong folder name. Think it might be working, or it's just gonna time out due to auth or something. I don't know. What do you guys want to talk about while this is happening? So, for context, hey, it cloned! Oh my god, I have it. So 10 million years, I don't even know if this will run, but I can try running it to show you guys what I'm doing, or what I did. Cool. So a long time ago, I worked on a mono game, so like just pure C# code with a fairly lightweight game engine called Mono Game. And it was meant to be a 2D, I don't know how to describe what we made. I think that's part of why we never finished the project, but you know, sort of a oh, hold on, sorry. Sort of a, like a tug of war. If you ever played the game Nidhogg, a little bit like that, but more like Mega Man control style. We had a pretty robust like platformer system we set up in it. But the project didn't really go anywhere because we couldn't find out how to make it like fun. Unsupported, no. I probably don't have the right libraries installed. Balls. Okay, so none of the code loaded. That sucks. Actually, no, some of it did. I mean, I can't run the game, but... yeah. Just errors. Well, poop. But we might have the player class, so I can't show you what the game looks like, but... Actually, I might have the Game Jam version of the game, but that's like so much more bare bones. Oh yeah, it's missing like the some of the libraries. Okay, well, I'm not gonna bother trying to install those. Oh, I forgot to turn the screen back on, sorry. But whatever. Like what game? Nidhogg. Here, I'll show you. Nidhogg's on Steam, right? Well, I don't want Steam Community. Dude, everything's just going wrong right now. What the fuck? Oh my god, stop. Someone's calling me now. Beijing is calling me. Yeah, it is on Steam. There, like that game. Yeah, I won't be picking that up, thank you. Why the hell? Okay, hold on. Why did I open this? Oh yeah, right. Not Hawk, yeah, Nidhogg. With 2 Gs. Oh, okay, that's for respawning. Set velocity X. Oh wow, we have this moved out into like a generic class. We also restructured this at one point, which is weird. Oh shit, okay, so this is kind of what I was just thinking about, like having like what directions you can move in, and I think we like set this somewhere in here. This isn't necessarily the right way to do this, but it worked pretty well. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of Prince of Persia inspiration in like the visual aesthetic of that game. Our game looked nothing like that, but like either of those two things. It's not rotoscoped or anything, it's all sprite art. God, this is gonna be impossible to navigate. Damn it. Okay, so we don't set it here. How does that change? We set it once at the beginning, but then there's no way it doesn't update at some point. What about collision? Get collision flags. Okay. It's not what I'm looking for either. Oh, shit. How about... God damn, how does this work? Alright, maybe this won't help me at all. I forgot we added knives at one point. Alright. Platform collision handler. Handle collision. What happens when someone collides with something? Get next hitbox. Okay, yeah, so this is like calculating the... This might actually not apply at all here, but what we were doing is we would calculate the next position you'd be in based on what your velocity was, accounting for gravity and everything else, and then like if you're about to collide, we would adjust your velocity based on that. I might be able to steal something similar and like roll back your movement based on what happened with this collision. And it does it in a way where it like snaps, so like we have slopes in our game. There's actually like a pretty cool article for anyone kind of curious about this stuff. I don't know if I can still find this. Damn it. Yeah, I don't know. This is like... I don't know how old this code is, but it's pretty fucking old. Damn it. There's so many different ways of doing it now. And actually, maybe I shouldn't even be going down this road because of that. But yeah, there's like, there's a pretty neat tutorial on like how they did slope collision in like Mega Man X, Oh wait, this actually might be the article. Yeah, actually this is it. Hold on. It's here. If I found it randomly. If anyone's curious from the coding perspective of it, this doesn't have like code examples, but it has like the algorithm that is used, and that's what this game does, more or less similarly. It's not quite the same, but it figures out how to like snap the player's movement if you're like just on the edge of hitting something. It's a really good article, by the way, for anyone looking at making a 2D platformer. Which is not what we're making, but I thought this might help me, but it doesn't really, so... At least that jogged my memory, which I guess is somewhat helpful. So what is relative velocity in this context? The relative linear velocity of the two colliding objects. And then what does this do? Transforms the direction from world space to local space. Okay, so it's just taking relatively where you were moving there. Gotcha. I think I can use this logic and then alter it a little bit to like prevent, like, basically I just need to like make a mask of like directions the player can move in currently and multiply that. Well, no, not really. Damn it. To say if I could have like a, you know, like X and Z position, like it would either be like 1 or 0 if you can move this way or not. But we need something more robust than that, because if you collide with something, you should be able to move backwards, because you can move in all directions at any time. This example the AI gave me is assuming you can only move forward, so to like stop you from moving forward, which works, but not exactly what I need. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, let's not go the AI route. Let's try Google instead. Unity. Handling collision without rigid body. Yeah, I know about detecting collisions. This is a very old thread. How to detect collision without rigid body. How is Babby formed? Okay, here we go. Oh, crap. I think I might actually just need is kinematic. Wow, what a rabbit hole. Hold on. Let's see if this fixes all my problems. So we don't want to freeze their position so much as we just want to make it kinematic. I forgot this is an option here, this collision detection type. Doesn't really help us here, but that's a neat thing. Alright, so I may want to roll back my other code. Actually, no, I need to do that. Also, this is just... get this garbage out of here. We may end up needing that. Actually, you know what? We may end up needing that, so I'm gonna leave it. This is starting to border on, like, I should go preemptively do some research before, digging too deep into this topic. Oh, shit. Okay, well, that's not the worst thing in the world. No, I still don't collide with anything. Damn it. Yuck, research. I was gonna say, we could mock out gravity, but I think that's just not colliding with anything. In fact, here, I can prove it. Imagine being informed. Go to the holes level. Stop. Oh, it almost works. The fuck, man? Alright, well, clearly that's not what I needed to do. Alright, let's go back to the AI. Because this thing keeps context as long as I'm talking in the same conversation. How would I handle collision without a rigid body? Modify the position. Okay, we're getting somewhere now. Ah, okay, you take the distance between the two. Gotcha. Not quite sure I understand this, but this may get us somewhere. Roll it back. Oh, oops. So I don't know what this does. It's the contact point at the specified index. That... wait, I can't get distance out of that. Oh no! The AI gave me bad code! Hold on, we can get the distance though. So get contact is contact point. What's on contact point? We can do this. So we take our point, and then we do distance. What the fuck? Vector 3 dot distance. I guess I gotta do this. Contact point dot other dot point. Closest point? I don't know. Shit. This seems jank. Oops. Definitely does not seem like this will serve what we're looking for. This might be assuming I'm doing like something in 2D. The most important, remember chat, the most important thing about using AI effectively is knowing how to interpret whatever the hell it says to you. Yeah, no. What about moving backwards through stuff? Alright, what about sideways? Maybe I'm doing it... It's very weird that I go up very slightly. Alright, maybe I'm gonna try opening up a new chat. Making game in Unity. And I am trying to prevent my player object from getting pushed around by other objects. How can I do this? I was afraid that was one of the things it was going to say. Set the rigid body's interpolation to interpolate. This option will smooth out any sudden movements and help prevent your player from being pushed around too easily. Use a physics material. Oh! Shit, they're right. No, that's it. Oh, fucking goddamn it. I like the last solution it gave me. Is use a script on your player to apply force to the object. Anytime something collides with you, apply an equal force in the opposite direction to cancel it out. That's really stupid, but it would work actually like perfectly. We could do that. That would be in the on-collide. Just anytime something bashes into us, we just push them back. Or push ourselves back. Maybe that is the solution, I don't know. The other thing too is I need to set up a ragdoll mode when you get hit by the cannonball. But that's we'll take care of that in a minute. Lewd chat, what? What happened? No lewd chat. No horny. Well, we can try all of these, honestly. I'm going to start with the physics material, because I think that'll be the easiest way to do this. What folder should I put that in? Feels wrong to put it in materials. Let's just put it in a new folder. Physics materials. Create new physics material. There we go. Player physics. If I give it infinite friction, it would never move, right? Zero bounciness. Perfect. Alright, player. Prepare to have some physics. Where does that go? It's like that. I don't think I did that right. Oh, there we go. On the collider. Alright. Let's test it out. Oh wait, hold on, I need to turn the player back to... Not this. And then also not any of this. And back to this. Boom. I'll need 2 players for this, so we have to do a build really quick. That was abrupt, man. Holy shit. That last song was called Go With The Clown. By the way, just unrelated. Oh, what are you doing? I clipped through that thing. The fuck? Go with the clown. That's what it's called. That might have always been a problem, I don't know. So that didn't really work. That's what I'm seeing here. Oh, I can't collide with those. What is that? What? Did I not roll everything back? It's fucking weird. Oh, Chad, I'm sorry to say, but this might be a bit of a failure of a night here. Yeah, it doesn't seem like there's anything, like, left over. Okay, well, it's weird. Well, we're not beaten down yet, chat, okay? We got other things we can try. Alright, so we can't do number 1, because number 1 is increase the mass of your object. That doesn't work because then all players would have increased mass and they could still push each other. This physics property seemingly broke a lot of stuff, so we'll not do that. There's the interpolation option, I guess I could try that. Oh wait, it says apply it to your collider component. I didn't do that. Hold on. Okay, it's fucking me up so hard that this needs to be in the resources folder, not the prefabs folder, but it's a prefab, so I'm like looking forward there, you know? Oh wait, no, that is where I put it, yeah. Onto your collider, yeah, okay. Nope. Don't do that. Out of curiosity, when I take that out, this will fix this thing over here, right? If I go play, I should be able to collide with stuff properly again. Yeah, things are solid again. Wait a second. Oh yeah, wait, oh, it's because those things don't move. Or is it? I don't... Hold on. What's on you? You have a collider. Oh, they don't even have a rigid body, that's why. This is like surprisingly long soundtrack for a random board game. on the N64. Oh my god. I tried to reorder my playlist and now it's all fucked up. Okay, well... honestly, that makes me think that maybe the bombs... no, the bombs need to have... they need rigid bodies because they need to be able to fall. But actually, they're kind of fine. Yeah. They're fine with everything else they're doing. So that's good. Like, Also, I have some ideas for the cannonballs. Maybe we just like fix the cannonball logic, and then I leave this other stuff alone for now. I don't know. I'm thinking that might be what we do, although it's all interconnected where, like, if I solve the cannonballs the way I'm thinking of doing it right now, it may be blown out of the water if I decide, oh, well, the other logic needs to completely be rewritten to make the, like, pushing stuff not work or whatever. I don't know. Let's just mess with the cannonballs for now and not worry about it. Sudden death folder, cannonball. Ball. You have a rigid body. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Give it, like, a ton of mass. Probably 100's good. 100, it's 100 times heavier than a player. So that's gotta do something, right? So here's my thought, right? So we have this on collision enter. Actually, screw that version of that code. We're gonna leave that, just comment it out. You have a script on you, right? They don't. Ah, no. Ah. Wait. I made a cannonball script. Oh, it's on the... okay, yeah, there we go. Oh, but it's on the parent. Damn it. Okay, well... maybe it shouldn't be on the parent? Oh, the view is up here. Fuck it, I'm making a third script, okay? Cannonball... ball. Cannonball ball. Build interrupted. Did I hit build? Whatever, dude. I need to cross-reference something really quick. Okay, which thing has the collider on it? The base does. Okay, that's good. So I could look for player controller. So if it's colliding with a player controller, we know we hit a player. Alright, let's edit this cannonball ball script. Rigid booty, baby! What the fuck? Use rigid body, transform, or collider. Collider? The collider we hit. Okay, that works, whatever. Cool. Fine, whatever, thank you. Documentation. Okay, so if player is null, so if we hit like random terrain or whatever, just kind of go off or whatever. But otherwise, start ragdoll. Whoa, 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 whoa. Boom. No constraints. And then... that might be fun to make it kind of bounce around when it hits something. Cool. Okay. Cool. So then we just need to make a public method inside the player controller to begin ragdolling. Where's my player prefab at? Hey, we got it right here. Perfect. So to ragdoll, we just want to stop freezing their rotation. And yeah, and then we'll set like a timer or something for them to end their ragdoll. And then we'll also lock their controls as well. Can there be separate cheek ragdoll physics? Once the cheek physics exists at all, yeah, totally. I mean, I think that'll kind of just fall. That probably will automatically follow through once I have that implemented, because the player goes flying and they're spinning all over the place, and there is actually like a simulated physics cheek system that'll just follow suit. You know what I mean? We gotta get that though first. I need to model characters. That's when I will add the cheeks though. Wouldn't that be solid? No, because the player's gonna go flying through the air, so anything that's just loose on them will just jiggle as well, right? Oh nice, they bundled all three of those together for me. Thank you. Thank you, Unity devs. Fuck it. Okay, we need to give this guy a duration. Let's say like 3 seconds, right? It's not so bad, I assume. Why is this still mad? Oh. What? Why are you also still mad? What the... What? What? Oh, it wants a time span. We'll at least get something done tonight. I hope. I hope this works. I'm going for that sort of like Source engine, like you just got hit with a toilet style death animation, except it's not a death sentence. You're like paralyzed for a couple seconds, and more likely than not, you're gonna go flying off into the abyss and you'll be dead, or someone will come up and blow you up. But it won't necessarily just outright kill you, I guess, is sort of what I'm going for with all this code. I should have said that before I started coding it. I just kind of got in the groove. Oh, you know what? I can do this. Oh. Ah. Oh, we also need to fix their transform when this happens, which this is probably gonna be messed up, but oh well. Wait. Yeah. That one. Dope. Alright. That should work, I would assume. Let's see how it actually works in practice. Give me the holes level, give me sudden death with cannonballs. Sudden death starts at... oh. Give me a 2-minute match. Sudden death starts immediately. Okay, there's the cannonballs. That's good. Could you hit me, please? I got ragdolled. Okay, I'm not quite flying, but it technically worked. Okay, part of me loves that, but also I need to like go flying. So like when the collision happens, we need to like pass info about the collision to the player. So it's mostly working. We just need to like actually push them. The increased weight did not help at all. How does the cannon... Do I already like unlock their... They seem to have like a weird natural fall off. It's like kind of working actually. Alright, well, all we're missing really is we need to like have the player go flying or whatever, right? The duration seems like spot on, though. That's exactly the right amount of time I was hoping for. Perfect. Okay. Now we just need to take our rigid body dot velocity, I think. And just for added effect, we're gonna multiply that by 10. What is this random window? Oh, that's it's compiling. Didn't really do much to me there. Oh. I don't know if it's just not applying enough force, or... Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm like canceling the force out with my movement code. I'm not really sure what's happening here. But that shouldn't happen, because... I don't know. Maybe it is happening regardless. So... Fixed update. Maybe I just gotta get rid of that, because that's messing with the transformation. I mean, that's okay. I think that's okay. Not sure. Oh wow, we transferred into the the Tunic soundtrack and I didn't even realize it. That's how chill that game's soundtrack is. I think I didn't hit OK properly. Just want these goddamn cannonballs to like blow me into oblivion. So much to ask. Oh, I didn't set the sudden death type, that's what happened. Well, it moved me, but it, like not by a lot. Alright, here's an idea. Let's get fucking crazy with it. How about... Oh, wait, is their velocity 0? Okay, hold on. Let's, their velocity might be 0. Okay. Give me the other cannonball script. Ah, yeah. That would do it. Okay, so instead of that, we want to take the... Well, yeah, let's just take it from the player controller. Do this. Okay, you know what? That's fine to have all this logic in here, but I should move this to the other cannonball script. And then we can use the rigid body, because that one's not on the actual cannonball. It's pretty dumb that I'm doing this way, but whatever. Oh, damn it. Not fine. Get component intelligence, that's what it is. Give me the cannonball ball component. This really sucks. Oh, okay, so the other script is in charge of destroying the object overall. This one's in charge of just moving the ball and... dealing with when it collides with stuff. Whew. Oh. Okay. Now that we've changed like 6 different things at once, let's see what happens. Oh, it's moving all right. It's a coming. Oh, they're gonna die before they reach this. Yeah. No. Guess they need to move a lot faster. Ten times faster, probably? Don't know. Why'd I black out? What the hell? I'm back. Oh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Me. Ah. Ooh. Okay. A little faster than that. Maybe like 3 times faster than that. Also, I think it's starting to apply the force correctly, but like, it needs to be like way stronger for the effect I want. That was pretty funny though. At least to me, I don't know. Okay. Oh! Ah! I'm alive. Okay, they're actually correctly interacting with like other objects now. Jesus Christ. Okay, this is almost actually what I want. I just needed to hit a little bit harder, but it's working. Ow, fuck. Ah. You know what it is? No, I need to like make it pop the player upwards. So, like no matter, like take their velocity, but then ignore the Y direction and just use like a static value. Okay, so we take, just ignore whatever Y position is, it's gonna push you up. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, yeah, right. Positive Y is up, so that's good. What did I call these two things? Force multiplier and Y force. Oh, that shouldn't be a const. It should be a this. I'm thinking like 1,000 basically at this point. God damn it. Alright. Here we go, chat. The unfortunate thing is, even though I made those parameters, I can't change them mid-game because it's like spawning them in real time, so like it won't affect the next one. Alright. Hit me. Why are they coming from like the sky now? I don't understand how that happens. Oh. Damn, it still barely pushes me. There we go! Wait, was that the entire Tunic soundtrack already? Oh my god, it was. That was quick. But that's not like all of them. It's like if you're in the sky. I guess this is still pretty debilitating. But like, damn it. We're like almost there. You have to be like airborne to really get fucked up by them. Also, you can just keep getting like stun locked by them, which is kind of funny. I like that. Yep. Oh, I can still lay bombs when I'm ragdolled. I should fix that. You know what? I'm gonna leave that as is. I call that good enough. But also we need to make it so you can't lay bombs in your ragdoll mode. No. Oh, also you shouldn't be able to jump when you're in ragdoll. Shocking. I know. What the hell is the player's jump force? 300. Oh shit. Okay, so we should really be just like pounding them with force. It's cannonball ball. Y force. Let's make it 600. The other force I think is fine. We just need to pop them up in the air a bit more than we're doing right now. Okay, what other controls are there that I'm forgetting? Camera? Yeah, you can still use... You should still be able to use your camera, I think. Movement, jumping, lay bomb. Open... You should be able to open your menu. Detonate. Oh, yeah, actually, you know what? Fuck it. They can still detonate their bombs while they're in ragdoll. Run doesn't matter because you can't move, so that's fine. Alright. Let's make sure we didn't break anything horribly. Also, I guess let's run it with network. I don't know what would break between this and like the other players, but we'll check. It would be good to like load data about the level in when doing the cannonball sudden death so that you can know where to spawn them. I might do that. Might also not. Alright. Somewhere over 2 minutes. Need to fix that. Oh! I got hit by like 2 cannonballs at once and it straightened me out. That was weird. Hold on, let's go again. Took a weird amount of time, whatever. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is mostly working the way I want it to. Oh my god. Alright. Feature completed. Let's push that code right now. Alright, we won't check in the physics material stuff, because that didn't really do anything. I'll leave it here, but I'm not checking it in. The bombs... Leave the changes we did to that, because I actually improved the bombs. Actually, let's check things in individually. So do the bombs first here. Aid bombs non-pushable. Okay. Player prefab, cannonball prefab. Cannonball.cs, cannonballball.cs, cannonballball.cs.meta. Proved cannonball sudden death makes player now goes players now go ragdoll when hit with cannonballs and actually get pushed relative to incoming cannonball direction plus up. I don't know. Plus up. That's what it is. Alright, chat, I'm taking a quick break, and yeah, enjoy the music. We'll figure out what we're doing when I get back. In fact, yeah, I don't know. We'll probably do some more game dev stuff. I don't know what next, though. Here, look at some code while I'm gone. Is alive. Return, not dead. Here. Look at this. BRB. Ow. I just yanked a piece of hair out of my head. Chat. On the PV Palace. Is everyone awake after that? I hate to do this, but I legitimately don't know what to do right now with the game. No, wait, okay, I have one more thing I could do. And I'll probably edit this VOD so that that huge break I just took is not like the end of the video after I do a really quick thing. Or like, then a really quick thing happens, you know? Level editor scene. This is very dumb. Oh, actually, this might take a little minute, because I can't, you know what, we can do this in words, that's fine. Never mind. Boop, 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 boop. Oh shoot, what is the help button on the controller? Hold on. My keys! I think it's options, but I'm not sure. It is, okay, cool. So double that, move it down a little bit, and just add to this. Simple as that. That's right, justified though. It's bad. Just just make it left justified. Boom.
I've got my controller layout over here. Editor, yes. Okay, cool. Also, D-pad does not work in here, right? I'm asking like anyone else would fucking know this. Yeah, D-pad does nothing. Almost correct. A little bit more, maybe 25 pixels. No, it's too low. It's weird. Might be slightly cut off. In fact, it is slightly cut off. Why is that such an odd number? Wait, why are they not the same at that particular position? What the fuck? Negative 210. There, negative 212. That seems to be fairly amenable. Actually, wait, hold on. Duplicate it first, then type it. I need to make these different sizes, and that's gonna drive me nuts. Wait, hold on. Ah!
Whew. I think that's correct. Let me make sure that's all what these controls are. I pulled up the controls like I was going to look at them, and I just didn't. So the right stick does rotate, yep. The bumpers do change which block you're doing. X does place blocks. Oh shit, I can't move the thing. Oh, it's because... Wait, is it because I spawned in directly? Holy shit. Can't edit properties either unless I'm pressing the wrong thing. Oh, wait, it's circle, okay. So the right button changes properties, and then start is the save button. Okay, cool. Oh, I didn't check up and down, but it must be the triggers. Right. I think that's... Okay, yeah, it's working. Oh, now I can move. What the hell? Something funky's going on. Might have broken this at some point, and I just didn't realize it. Also, we gotta swap these back. See if this works properly when I go in from like the base scene. I hope I didn't suddenly like break the level editor, but it's possible, I guess. I don't know. Cool. Yeah, it's like as soon as you move, you can't really move for like a while. And moving down doesn't seem to work. There's no errors though, weirdly enough. Oh, let me correct that, the one controls I said wrong in there. Take a look at it as well, just so I can see if it goes out of bounds somehow. Yeah. Damn. Aha! Honestly, this just overall feels better, like, under everything, so maybe we put it back. So minus 200, and then, like... 4, 6... 50... I actually kind of like the little space there. It makes it a little more visually good to look at. Something is going on that's like not letting me move my cursor properly. Uh-oh. Oh, wait, shit, really? Could it be whatever that is? It's like actually busted. What the fuck? Why did this just break randomly? Well, okay, it's consistently broken across both control schemes. That's slightly helpful. I guess we'll commit what we have, because that's no way that broke what's broken. You know? And then I guess let's fix this issue. I don't know what's broken here, but oh, it might be nothing. Hold on. Unrelated Windows sound effect. Totally not related to what's going on. You can even see it. It was in the event window. Oh my god, it was. Fuck you, Xbox. What the hell? I had my other controller plugged in and that was fucking everything up apparently. Okay, well, that's fine. Yeah, not to do another like half dev stream, but I know what I need to do in the game. There's a lot of things I need to do, but most of them I need to go like do some research, and I could do that on stream, but it would be so fucking boring to watch, so I refuse to do that. So I'm gonna prepare for next week's stream, and we'll actually get deeper into like revamping the player controls and stuff. But for now, we made sudden death work a little better, and we also added a little bit of context to the controller layout in the editor. And yeah, that's about it. I don't know. Stream's not over, by the way. We're gonna play something, but yeah, I'm out of things to do right now. Even though there are a million things I can do in this game. Eventually we're going to start working towards co-op mode. That's going to be a huge overhaul. But I want to get the controls right before we do any of that. So that's like priority number one, is like the thing I was trying to do today, of like getting a proper like custom physics engine, for lack of a better word. But just like having perfect control over what's going on in the game. I want to get that down, and then we can start adding in like more gameplay mechanics other than just laying bombs, like being able to throw them or kick them, and maybe making power-ups tie into those. Yeah. So that's what's on the horizon. And once all that stuff's into place, and maybe we make a couple more sudden death modes, then we'll move away from the versus side of things and get into the campaign mode / PvE co-op, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's it for Game Dev tonight. Thanks for joining me, y'all, and see you next time. Or stay tuned, because I'm gonna play something right now.